Hey, this is Darren Isaac with eXp. I'm super excited to announce that tomorrow we are having a class in the eXp University that will be in Conference Hall 1. We have Davin Fesmire going to come in. He's going to teach us how to brand and empower ourselves with video. Amazing content. He's going to show you how to conquer your fear, basically learn how to overcome your fear of being on the camera and how to better engage your viewers. Devin's going to share how to make an impact with your message on camera so that viewers will be more likely to engage. So join this session. It's open to anybody. If you're not with the eXp, you'll need to reach out to me ahead of time so that I can give you a pass. And then you'll download the software program, and just takes a couple minutes and you'll be able to get in, and you'll have a 2-week pass and you can go to any class you want. So we have this class actually on the first and third Tuesdays of each month. And we have other classes that are going on also about listing presentations, digital marketing, pretty much anything you can think of. Anyway, if you're interested, message me and I will send you a link. You can get into the world and check it out. It's going to be a great class. It's free. And you'll get a kind of tour of see what taking a class in the metaverse is like. So anyway, have a great day. See ya. Bye.